We'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD and slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. We have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary support at a price of $1,733. As we extend that to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but it's approaching to positive MACD. For support, that will be where we encounter previous support levels in the past, as indicated back in March 8th at around a price of $1,679. And as for resistance, that'll be where we encounter previous support levels in the past, and since we're below support, that now act as our resistance at around a price of $1,774. If it were to test that level, the price movement to the upside is around 1%, and to test support, that is around 4.5%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $152.02. My sell target is at $166.30, and my stop loss is at $148.71. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.50, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $155.56, and my stop loss is at $177.28. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 6.6%, and to the downside a 53% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.6%, and a 7% chance to fall between negative 6.6 to negative 13.2%, and a 7% chance to fall between negative 13.2 to negative 21%. And thank you for watching.